Top 5 insane V12 powered supercars you probably forgot existed. Number 5. Lister Storm. Lister, a renowned British marque, has a rich history in motorsports and road cars. In 1986, the company transitioned from building race cars to creating high-performance road vehicles, starting with modified Jaguar XJS, boasting 200+ miles per hour top speeds and £100,000 price tags. In the 1990s, Lister developed its first from-scratch road car, the Storm. Powered by a colossal 7-liter V12 engine, the largest V12 in a production car since World War II, derived from the Jaguar XJR9, the Storm produced 546 horsepower and 582.7 pounds-foot of torque. With a 6-speed manual transmission sending power to the rear wheels, the Storm achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and reached 208 miles per hour. Number 4. Lot X Sirius. The Lot X Sirius is an ultra-exclusive supercar with only one unit ever produced. Born from Lot X experience with the record-breaking C1000, the Sirius aimed to bring exceptional performance to the road. Its 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, sourced from Mercedes-Benz, unleashes a formidable 986 horsepower, with potential for upgrades to 1,184 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this powerhouse sends all its might to the rear wheels. Lot X claimed the Sirius could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds and reach a staggering top speed of 249 miles per hour. While these figures are difficult to verify, one thing is certain: the Lot X Sirius is an extraordinary piece of automotive craftsmanship, hidden away in a private collection. Number 3. TVR Cerbera Speed 12. The TVR Cerbera Speed 12 has a strong claim to being the most unhinged road-legal car ever created. Its sheer intensity was so overwhelming that Peter Wheeler, TVR's owner, cancelled its production run, fearing that no ordinary driver could tame its unbridled fury. At the heart of this beast lay the 7.73-liter TVR Speed 12 engine, pumping out an estimated 960 horsepower. However, this figure was a conservative guess, as the true power output was impossible to measure directly. When TVR attempted to dyno test the engine at full throttle, it shattered the 1,000 horsepower rated dyno. To estimate its power, engineers had to test each bank of cylinders separately and combine the results. The Speed 12's rear-wheel drive layout and 6-speed manual transmission were quintessential TVR, adding to its raw, unadulterated character. Number 2. Yamaha OX9911. Yamaha, a household name in the motorbike world, ventured into the realm of supercars in the early 1990s. The OX9911, a collaborative effort between Yamaha's Ypsilon Technology and British design firm International Automotive Design, IAD, aimed to bring Formula One technology to the road. This radical supercar featured an aluminum body on a carbon fiber chassis with a unique central seating arrangement where the passenger sat behind the driver. Power came from a detuned 3.5-liter V12 engine derived from Yamaha's F1 program, producing 400 horsepower and revving up to 10,000 RPM. A 6-speed manual transmission sent power to the rear wheels. Number 1. Zagato Raptor. The Zagato Raptor is a mysterious one-off creation that remains shrouded in secrecy. Built on the Lamborghini Diablo VT platform, this exclusive car inherited the Diablo's potent 5.7-liter V12 engine, producing 492 horsepower, along with its 5-speed manual transmission and all-wheel drive system. Mechanical modifications were minimal, with the notable exceptions of removing the ABS and traction control systems and upgrading the brakes to compensate for the reduced weight. The Zagato Raptor's bespoke body, crafted extensively from carbon fiber, aimed to minimize weight while maximizing performance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.